Welcome back to our podcast. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of decision-making under uncertainty. It's a complex topic that affects us all.
Thanks for having me. Decision-making is crucial, especially when the outcomes are uncertain. It's an area where intuition can often misguide us.
Absolutely. Can you share how people typically approach decisions when faced with uncertainty?
Many rely on heuristics, mental shortcuts that simplify decision-making. While they can be useful, they sometimes lead to biases.
That's intriguing. Can you give an example of a common bias that arises from these shortcuts?
One classic example is the availability heuristic. People judge the probability of events based on how easily examples come to mind.
I see. So if someone frequently hears about airplane accidents, they might think flying is riskier than it actually is?
Exactly. This can lead to irrational fears. It's important to understand these biases to improve our decision-making.
What strategies can we use to mitigate these biases and make better decisions?
One effective method is to seek diverse perspectives. Engaging with others can provide insights that we might overlook.
That makes sense. It's like having a team to brainstorm, right? What about using data or statistics?
Yes, tools like data analysis can help us make more informed choices. But be careful, data can also be misinterpreted.
So true. It's like that saying, there are lies, damn lies, in statistics. What's a common misinterpretation people make?
A common pitfall is confusing correlation with causation. Just because two things happen together doesn't mean one causes the other.
That's an important distinction. Can you share a real-world example of this?
Sure. For example, there might be a correlation between ice cream sales and drowning incidents in summer. It doesn't mean one causes the other.
Interesting. It's all about the context. Can you recommend any resources for listeners who want to dive deeper into this subject?
I suggest reading behavioral economics books like Thinking Fast and Slow by Daniel Kahneman. It's a great start.
Thanks for the recommendation. As we wrap up, what's one key takeaway you'd like our listeners to remember?
Always be aware of your biases. By questioning your assumptions, you can make much better decisions in uncertain situations.
Great advice. Thank you for joining us today and shedding light on such an important topic.
Thanks for having me. It's been a pleasure.
And thank you to our listeners. Remember, the next time you're faced with uncertainty, pause and reflect before you decide. See you next time.